Welcome to NPM Tech. Cool gadgets you didn't know about before. FunSnap. The FunSnap is a revolutionary stretchable neck fan that offers 6x wind power and 360 degrees around airflow. It is designed by Sparkle Team, a Hong Kong-based gadget company. The FunSnap is more than just a fan. It is also a portable air conditioner that can cool you down in hot weather. It has an adjustable and stretchable air outlet that can fit any neck size and shape, and an ultra-silent motor that won't disturb you or others around you. The FunSnap also has a 5,000 mile long-lasting battery that can run for up to 12 hours on a single charge. HHOLOVE O Sitter. It is a robot with artificial intelligence that entertains and feeds pets. It has a rotating head and a 2K camera with night vision mode. The clever algorithm is able to recognize and focus on a cat from up to 3 meters away. The camera sends video to the owner's smartphone and also allows you to call the cat at any time. The OhSitter can only pick up your voice. However, its screen can only transmit emotions, not images. OhSitter is stationary and does not have wheels or any other device to move around. It can, however, entertain the cat with a laser pointer, which can be controlled automatically or via a separate app. In addition, the robot is equipped with a 2.5-liter automatic feeder. This is enough food for 2 weeks. Deo TranSteamer. Clean in a sustainable way with the Deo TranSteamer cordless steam cleaning center. Offering 100% chemical-free cleaning, it has a modular design and accessories that make it easy to clean everywhere. Cleaning without harsh chemicals, it lets you use it alone or with a steamer module, mop extension, or docking station to get higher pressure steam. As an all-in-one steam cleaning solution, it'll help you clean up messy situations throughout your home. With steam ready in just 30 seconds, it boasts advanced thermal relay technology. And it heats up to temperatures higher than 221 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you cordless cleaning in up to 16 minutes. It delivers as much as 120 milliliters per minute of steam discharge for jobs in any room. Overall, attachments let you clean dishes, textiles, floors, glass, corners, and more. Finally, its 21,700 battery cells produce a high discharge rate, strong performance, and exceptional safety features. Evo Duster Air Pump. The Evo Duster Air Pump is a versatile and powerful device that can be used for various purposes, such as blowing dust, inflating cushions, drying hair, cooling down, and more. It is a rechargeable and portable device that weighs only 200 grams and has a high-definition digital LCD screen to display the battery life and settings. It has 4 gears of wind speed and 3 nozzles to suit different needs. It can reach up to 100,000 RPM and provides strong streams of air when needed. Slice EDC Folding Knife. The Slice EDC Folding Knife is the ideal safety tool for carrying around with you at home, work, or in nature. It's neat and solid with a durable metal handle but is also compact and lightweight for portability. The finger-friendly blade is exposed through a spring-assisted mechanism and is locked in place for additional safeguarding. This everyday carry folding knife has a balanced feel in the hand for easy everyday cutting and is suitable for left or right-handed users. Slice has combined its industrial excellence with great design to create this unique EDC folding knife. You'll always be prepared with this essential tool that gives you empowerment and peace of mind. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like, and share.